What's up, everybody? It's your boy Frank the Tank from Bangin Garage on YouTube, Facebook, and on Instagram. And today is video number 2 of 4 down here in beautiful Ocean City, Maryland for Endless Summer Cruisin 2024. Same thing I said yesterday. I make a video every day. I do the editing all night. I drop a new video every morning at 6 a.m. so you have a little something to look at while you're enjoying your morning coffee. Each video's got a giveaway. Yesterday, I gave away Bangin Gear's shop clock, or for your garage, for your living room, if your wife let you put it there. I'll put a link to that video somewhere up above. Today, we're gonna be giving away a Bangin Gear's baseball cap, just like the one you're wearing. To be eligible to win any of the prizes, you need to like, comment, and subscribe to Bangin Gear's Garage on YouTube, and that puts you in the running to win whatever we're giving away in that video. So once you're subscribed, like and comment and on the other 3 videos, and it puts you in the running to win all of that stuff as well. You could win all 4 prizes. Today I filmed entirely at the Twisted Rod show at the Pit and Pub North Side. Great turnout, beautiful day. So we're just gonna end it there, okay? Oh, if you want to, you could subscribe to Bangin Gear's Garage on Facebook. So make sure you check that out. Post your videos, your pictures from this week, or anything you guys do. It's automotive related when you get back home. All right? Enjoy the weather, enjoy your week, drive safe, and we'll catch you right back here tomorrow on Bangin Gear's Garage.